Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Unleash the power of your inbox. Are you aware of the untapped potential lying dormant in your email list? Do your current email campaigns lack the spark they need to truly engage your audience? With the right approach, your emails can become more than mere messages. They can become immersive journeys that captivate your readers, from the subject line to the final call to action. That's precisely what Expect Best specializes in. Imagine being able to boost audience engagement, drive higher conversions, reinforce your brand identity, save precious time and resources, and enjoy continuous campaign improvement. So, are you ready to transform your email marketing strategy? Visit our website or give us a call to explore our range of email campaign design services. Let Expect Best be your partner in digital success.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.